Okay, Mandalay Bay, room tour, room 28111. Let's get started. Nice, beautiful foyer as soon as you come in, and a big mirror to check yourself before you head out the door. Coming around into the beautiful room. I mean, these rooms are gorgeous. Some of them are designed a little bit differently. On the back wall there, it doesn't matter. They're all just stunning. We love these rooms. We always have. They're just they're solid. Here's your work desk, television. You have a little lamp here, work lamp, plus an additional lamp. We're gonna get into the charging situation. So we have a couple of USBs here, a couple of regular outlets, all sorts of aux and HDMI and even VGA and network connection, all sorts of stuff going on there. You have plenty of drawer space here. All empty, so a couple of smaller ones, a couple of bigger ones. So we're not even gonna open the door here, no need to. As everybody pretty much knows, you're not gonna get a fridge here, you're gonna get a mini bar, and it's sensor activated. Same thing goes for here. Now I wanna mention something. You're gonna see this coffee pot, and you're gonna go, oh great, finally a coffee pot in a room in Vegas. See those cups? Censored. You'll be charged for that. So you're not gonna wanna use that unless you're really desperate. Here's your ice bucket. I love this touch here with the wine glasses. I always like that in a room rather than plastic, but I always kind of wash them first too. Here's some beautiful seating by the window and a table. Nice lamp over here. I'm just sort of looking around for extra chargers just in case. The floor to ceiling windows are magnificent. We have a mountain view. We pretty much always get a mountain view when we're here. We don't request it, it's just what we get. And it's perfect because the windows are huge. You can watch the sunset from your gorgeous bed. We got 2 queens. We need the extra space with all of the luggage we have on this really long trip, so we like to get 2 queens when we can. Over here, you have a couple of regular chargers, and then you have a couple of USB on this clock radio situation here. Little room phone, and another drawer and more storage underneath. You have 2 closets. Aren't they pretty? I always thought these were nice. 2 huge closets. So I'm just gonna step back so you can see that. Your luggage can pop right in there. Plenty of hangers, your safe, and your ironing board. Your other closet is equally large, as you can see here. There's your laundry bag. Kind of want to mention something to everybody about laundry bags here in Vegas. As you know, we've been traveling a really long time, so we've stayed in a ton of spots. They're starting to not provide those anymore for some reason. I was surprised and happy to see that Mandalay Bay did. So just a piece of advice, if you're traveling here, bring a little bag for your dirty clothes if you want to separate them, because you may not get a laundry bag in your room anymore. I don't know, maybe you can request one. The bathrooms here are to die for. You have a large soaking tub, beautiful artwork, glass enclosed shower. You're gonna have a separate water closet right here. Double vanity. You're gonna have a hair dryer. Couple more glasses in here. Amazing lighting, which the ladies know when you're doing your makeup, pretty great. Plenty of sockets in here on both sides, by the way. Usually that's a one-sided deal. You do have another socket here on the side of the bed. And also over here next to the work desk if you need a little bit more. We usually do. So that's gonna do it. Let's get a good overhead here. Nice spacious room, bright, beautiful. clean as a whistle. Mandalay Bay.